To achieve this adorable rose flower for simple decorative purposes, you need a glue gun, sharp scissors, your green tape, binding wire, your lighter, and a candle in a small container. Next is your satin material or ribbon containing the rose color of your choice and a green color for your leaves and stamen. Finally is your petal template. This is optional. It only helps you to maintain a definite shape for your flowers without repeating measurements and drawings. I used 1.75 by 2 inches for the large template and 1.6 by 1.8 inches for the smaller template. You can always draw or cut out this shape using the same measurements on your fabric. Next is to fold your fabric in proportion to the size of your petals and number of petals that you need, and then cut out the intended shape. You can use a small clip to hold it in place while cutting. We will be using 8 petals for each of the sizes, making it 16 petals in total. Now, light up your candle and start burning the edges of the petals without bringing them too close to the light. Take note that using a candle container helps your petals burn smoothly and curve beautifully, which we need to form a beautiful rose. Now pick up your strengthened binding wire depending on the size you need. I used 7 inches for this. Drop a glue at the tip of the binding wire and on the petal and start wrapping the petals around it. First, you will start with the smaller petals and then the larger ones. Note that you are to apply your glue at the shiny part of the fabric or the surface with the curve upwards. If you are enjoying this video, do well to show your support by hitting the subscribe button at no single cost to you. Now that our rose is ready, we will be making our flower stamen. To do this, you will be cutting out 4 pieces of a half inch by 3 inches from a green ribbon or satin material. Fold the tiny piece in half and cut in diagonal, leaving a small space at the bottom. This sketch shows where you should direct your scissors following the dotted lines when you fold. Now burn the slant edge to keep it in place. And this is what you should get. Now start fixing the 4 parts through the stem. Apply a glue once it gets to the base of the flower and paste it. Do this to the rest of the tree, allowing them to face different directions. Now you can start wrapping your green tape around your stem. Next is to make a realistic looking leaf. Cut out a 1.5 by 2.5 inches of a green ribbon or satin. Fold in half and cut out a half shape of a leaf. Start burning and tearing the edge of the leaf shape. Fold the leaf in half and slightly burn the edge. If you wish to give it more texture, fold it this way and burn the edges. Fold in a Z pattern and burn slightly. You can also trim out the end of the leaf to help it fit into the stem. Carefully place and attach the leaf to where you want it using a small drop of glue, and start wrapping the stem with your green tape for a second time. This will help secure the leaf without depending on the glue. You can finally bend the leaf using a slight heat to help it stay natural on the stem. If you would like to get further updates on our upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.